So welcome back. We are doing bandits from Over the Wire. If you haven't watched our previous video, then pause this video and watch that first. And if you have already watched it, then stay tuned. For this video, we are doing bandits from 4 to 7. Hope you enjoy it and let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, let's connect to the server by doing SSH. We'll say bandit 4 4 and we'll copy this from here. We'll paste it by pressing Ctrl Shift V and then we'll mention the port, that is 2220. We'll cat out a previous file, we'll copy it by pressing Ctrl Shift C and then we'll paste the password. Okay, Wire Bandit, Ctrl Shift C. We'll do it again. I don't know why it is not connecting. Okay, so we are connected. So the goal is the password for the next level is stored in the only human readable file in here directory. So we'll first find in here directory. We'll do pwd and we are already in our home directory. We'll say ls. Okay, we got the in here file. We'll go inside it by doing cd in here. We'll clear. We'll list out all the files included here and the only human readable file in here. So we have to find the only human readable file. First we'll just cat out a single file and see how the file looks. So cat let's cat out file number 4. Okay, we'll cat out file number 2. Okay, so what we can do, we can loop over all the files. So let's start looping. We'll use for loop. So we'll say for, we'll write it as, we'll first say I is equal to 0 as all the files are starting from 0. First we'll check how many files are there. There are 10 files. So we'll say for I is equal to 0 where I is equal to where I is less than 10 and I gets incremented by 1. Now what we can do is we can print, or we have to say do and we have to press any, like we have to write the command over here. So this is the syntax. So we'll write the command directly, that is print f, or maybe what we can do is first we'll cat out all the files, file and 0, and then we'll say $I, because here the value of I would be changing from 1 to 9, as we have mentioned over here that I would be lesser than 10, that is I would be lesser than 10. So we'll say I and we can say done. We can improve the code by doing maybe do print f slash new line and file dollar, where is this, dollar I, we can say like that, and then we'll just make another new line and let's see how does it looks. Where are we? First of all, we'll clear everything. Here we are, clear. We'll see what code we had written and we'll just say here a new line and we can say and to get all the files. So we got the password, the file 7 contains the password. We'll copy the password by pressing Ctrl Shift C. We'll do echo, we'll say bandit 425, we got this password, and we'll say double greater than sign so that it wouldn't overwrite the file. So we'll say all bandits. Here we are saving all the passwords and we'll press enter and then we'll cat all bandits and see the new password has been saved here. So we'll go again here. We'll press Ctrl D to exit this and we'll clear the screen. We'll go to the next level now. So here the level goal is kind of the password for the next level is stored in file somewhere under the in here directory, has all of the following properties human readable. Okay, so the file has human readable. It has 1033 bytes in size and it is a not executable file. Okay, first of all we'll connect to bandit 5 and we'll copy the password and we'll paste the password. So we are in, we'll clear the screen. So the password in the in here directory, so let's go in here directory by pressing cd in here, ls cd maybe. Okay, there are so many files. Let's see how many files are there. Al, so ls al, if we do the asterisk sign over here, we can list out all the files inside here. Now our task is to find a file which is 1033 bytes and it is a non-executable bytes. So there is an option that we can do. We can output it to grep and we'll find for size containing 1033. Okay, so there is one file which is 1033, but it doesn't show the path where it is. So maybe we can do is like there is another option to, like as we can see here, what I'm thinking. Okay, there is another option that we can do. We can do specify how many lines that we want to see before the particular file, and then we can by saying D10 we can see how many lines we want to see before the file that we want. We'll press enter. Sorry for the interruption, I don't know what happened, it just keeps showing. We got a password, it's here and the maybe here 0007, so we'll just go to that folder and cd maybe your 07 and our password is in dot file 2. We'll say cat dot file 2. So I think we got a password. We'll just do the same command again. Fifth to sixth, and we'll save our password over here and we'll press enter. We'll clear the screen. We'll connect again by Bandit 6 and we'll paste the password that we found, and here we are. So 7 to 8, it is like 6 to 7, right? 6 to 7. The password for the next level is stored somewhere on the server and has all of the following properties: that is owned by user Bandit 7 and owned by group Bandit 633. Right. So first of all we'll ls. Okay, we cannot see any file. We'll say ls. We'll say cd. We'll say ls. We'll say ls al and we'll use this previous command that I showed. Okay, so there are so many files, upper shell and everything. So we'll just grab for the file which has a bandit 7, which is owned by bandit 7. So we can grab it. We'll do grab bandit 7. So there is one file bandit 7, but its size is quite high. Data.txt. (33 bytes in size). And we can see bandit 7 and 33, no file. What we can do, we'll see bandit 6, there is no file, owned by bandit 6 and bandit 7. Bandit 6, bandit 7, bandit 6, 6. There is only one file which we got and it doesn't have that 33 byte, but still we can check it. So we'll just see bandit 7. What we can do? I'm getting confused. I don't know what I should be doing. We'll just say cd and see where are we. So okay, we'll just cat out everything. Cat everything. Okay, and we'll grab bandit 7. lost and found directory is a directory. We'll do ls al everything, and we'll grep bandit 7. So there is also another file. Okay, let me just clear it out. Find group bandit 6. We'll say bandit 7. Size cached 3 bytes. So okay, I don't know. There is no such file. There is no such file. Everything. Bandit 7. Bandit 6. इसीलिए so at least for half an hour I was literally digging like how should I find the password for Bandit 7 because it was really difficult for me, but I somehow managed to find it. Like I used this command. Actually, I used the find command and I pressed enter, and then I got a few files over here listed. First let me clear it and I'll show you how did I got it. I used the find command and then I was checking out each and every file. So I tried doing a grep command where I'll just inverse permission. Permission. Okay, wait. but still no luck. But yet I was digging in, I got this particular file, so I just copy pasted it, and I'm gonna cat it out, and I think this is our password. So let's save it and check whether it is the right password or no. First of all, we'll check it over here itself. We'll say Control D. We'll connect to Bandit 7, and we'll see whether it's get connected or not. Okay, so that was the right password, and we'll just save the right password in our file. So hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for the next video. I somehow messed it up because it's 3:30 a.m. and I'm doing bandits. So thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe. Bye. Take care.